November 19th, 2020 vocabulary. All right, so the directions. We're going to pluck the feather. That is the correct way to write a ratio for the total number of pens to the number of pink pens. All right, so we have total number of pens first. Total number of pens, I'm going to highlight that, to the number of pink pens. All right, I'll highlight that in pink because it's so pretty. All right, so total number of pens. All right, so here's our table down here, our pens. We have orange, red, and pink pens. So what are we going to do to get the total number of pens? Well, we're going to add them up. I know 12 plus 8 is 20, and then plus 15 is going to be 35. So if I have 35, that's the total amount of pens. 2, well, how many pink pens are there? 8. There's 8 pink pens. So we're going to look at which one of these feathers has 35 to 8. So 35 to 8 in that order, remember. Oh, here we go. 35 to 8. It's this red feather. And that is it for our vocabulary. Great job.